This was I was guided to pick this up when was this? July 3rd to the 10th. And it says Wild Things. And that's so funny because I was just talking about using my Wild Things deck. So I gotta look for it. A baby bird needs help. What can you do with confidence? You're not making things worse, considering many don't last into adulthood. So consider maybe what somebody's doing to make things worse. A baby bird needs help. What can you do with confidence? You are not making things worse, considering many don't last into adulthood. So maybe a parent needs to be careful, in how they're treating somebody who needs help. It's true. What's true? I'm getting housing, kayaking, spawn of jaws, bar stars. Overlapping. A baby bird needs help. Do you have questions about birds, bugs, bees, butterflies, or other wildlife? Look. Budgie. Got his eyes closed. Last night I found 2 tiny birds in my driveway next to some bushes. I moved one further and underneath and then wondered if I should have touched him at all. The other I moved only a small amount, lifting with stiff paper. Alas, this morning he was dead on his side in the driveway. Just like me. I named him Junebird and we buried him next to our former pet cat. Yeah, when I came back from the store, it was gone. I'm like, who moved it that quick? Who moved you that quick? One of you little baby birdies. I don't know who moved it that quick. I went to the store, came right back, it was gone already. I'm like, what? Yeah, we buried him to the next former pet. I don't know if the other one made it. All night advice seemed to be to leave the baby bird where he was, as they spend time on the ground before they fly. It was so sad to see he did not make it through the night. My question is, what is the right thing to do here? So somebody's so sad to something about making it through the night. Should I have tucked him in under the bushes? If somebody should have tucked somebody in. Is there any way I could have given him water with an eyedropper? What might he eat? I know many baby birds do not make it. I would be grateful for advice on what to do if this happens again. Baby cardinals. Those are the red ones. Baby cardinals start in the nest left, but as fledglings below wander around before they can fly. By the fall, young cardinals begin to show their adult plumage. Right. Tom Murray. Predators. Vulnerable time for a fledgling. A sad fact of life. Best to leave it alone. Giving them water is a bad idea. Young birds do not drink water, but get all the fluids they need from food provided by the parents. Baby birds. Oh. Putting babies back in the nest is the best option if you know where it is. If not, it makes sense to put the birds in a box or basket lined with a towel and a heating pad to keep them warm overnight. Oh, I got the hot water bottle. I'll put it in there and put it in a box or basket to keep them warm overnight until you can call a rehabber for advice in the morning. Remember though, federal and state laws make it illegal to keep wild birds. Oh. Poor baby birdie. My eye. Somebody's eye may be bothering them.